What's the point in having VirtualBox if we don't have a virtual machine? So in this tutorial, we're going to create our first virtual machine, and we're going to do it, let's do a Windows 10 machine. We need to click New, add a new machine. Let's give it a name. Let's call it Skills Campus Windows 10, for example. Make sure that the correct version has been picked. In my case, it's a 64-bit Windows 10 machine. Amount of RAM, this depends, of course, on how powerful your host machine is. I've got quite a bit of RAM, so I'm going to go with about 4 gigs of RAM, 4096. Brand new hard drive, of course, and dynamically allocated so that my whole hard drive doesn't get used up or blocked off at the same time. 50 gigs, more than enough for our purpose. And that's our new virtual machine that we've created. Of course, it's a brand new virtual machine, meaning the operating system hasn't been installed on it yet. So let's do that right now. So let's power it up. It's as simple as double clicking it. You'll notice when your virtual machine starts up for the first time, like I said, there's no operating system installed. So obviously, no bootable media found. Did not find an operating system. It stopped. So what do we do here? We need to give it the ISO. Now, in my case, I already have it. If in your case, you need to point it to wherever your ISO location is. Pick on, in my case, Windows 10, because that's what we want to install. And then now we're going to press the reset button on our virtual machine to reset or reboot the machine. And fingers crossed, should start the installation process. So since we are in New Zealand, I am going to choose English, New Zealand. Install. Pretty straightforward. Choose the type of Windows 10 installation you want to do. Let's go with Windows 10 Pro. No choice, have to accept the license terms. It's not an upgrade, so it's a clean install. And I'm not going to partition it up. I'm going to use the whole 50 gigs of space. And that's it. Now I'll probably speed up the video at this point. No point watching the whole installation process, but let's do it now. Now, quick tip, because this is a standalone virtual machine that's not connected to any part of my real network, we need to make sure that under network settings, we choose internal network. This will allow our virtual machine to interact with any other virtual machines that I create on my VirtualBox application. As you can see, we're almost done. And it should restart shortly. And restart now. As you can see, painless, really simple. A few more pre-installation questions and we should be done. Again, I'm going to speed up the video. After another quick restart, Let's first question. Choose a region. New Zealand. US keyboard, of course. Skip. I do not have a second keyboard layout. Remember, by choosing internal network, we're not connecting it to our existing network, so let's skip that for now. Another quick restart. Remember, don't press any key. Couple more questions, and we should be done. So I'll type in my name. A password. Sure. One more time. I'm going to call it my standard virtual machine password. That should help me remember it. Now, you're more than welcome to read through and turn it on or off. But being a default installation, I'm just going to accept it. And we're almost done. Again, I'm going to speed up the video. And there we have it. Our first VM on VirtualBox, or fresh clean install of Windows 10.